Okay, so we're on Ford Road. So we're gonna do a Ford Road video. And basically we're gonna be going through Dearborn, but we're also gonna go through whatever else is here. I think we might actually be starting in Dearborn Heights, and we're gonna go through Dearborn, and then we're gonna ultimately get into Detroit briefly as well. So yeah, stick around. Driving Detroit, driving Michigan, driving Dearborn, Ford Road. So here we are driving Ford Road, Dearborn. Got some nice brick houses down that way. We're gonna kind of highlight whatever we see on Ford Road. So I guess at the moment we'll kind of highlight a little bit to the right. We're gonna get into more of a commercial district because this is a main street. But at the moment we're kind of on the suburban side of might even possibly in Dearborn Heights at the moment. But it'll shift soon into Dearborn and then into Detroit as well. And yeah, we're just gonna be doing these driving Detroit, driving Michigan videos. Been doing them for a little bit while I'm here in Michigan. This is yet another one. Just kind of highlight to the side a little bit. Some nice big houses in there. I'm sure you can't see them too well, but in a moment we'll have the more the commercial district. But I want to like stay faithful to their street of Ford, and we're going to be going over kind of a big road right here, which I think is going to be a transition from where we're at now into more of the commercial district of Ford Road. Yeah, and actually, you know what? I think there's a mall in here somewhere too. I think it's called Fairlane Mall. And up in the distance, you can actually see a large temple. It's a Muslim temple, Islamic temple. So we're going to see that along the way. There it is right there. It's just coming into view. And I think after we get underneath this tunnel, this overpass, we're going to start seeing more of Ford Road in Dearborn. At the moment it looks kind of suburban, typical Michigan highway system, but actually it'll go right into the commercial district in a moment. And there's the temple, so I think what I'm going to do is move the camera to the side here, and then you can take a look at it a little bit. Oh, there's the police right there as well, so. Oops. I don't know what the speed limit is in here. But anyways, now we're going to be coming into the commercial district. And I think I'm actually going to put the camera over, get over to the side a little bit. Michigan. That's interesting. I'm seeing some of the signs empowering women in cannabis. I'm seeing more. There's a lot of cannabis legalization all over the world right now, even in Thailand and throughout much of the United States. And I'm starting to see a lot of the economy is really picking up around that. So I'm seeing a lot of even big billboards like that one. Okay, so now we still have some kind of these commercial, what do you call those? Business districts. So we have some of those office islands. Can't recall the word. And then we're going to get into, so basically we're just going across Dearborn from Dearborn Heights. And then you can see downtown Detroit all the way straight ahead. That's kind of cool. Greenfield Road. And we got a Walmart over there. That would be kind of interesting to go into. I think I'm gonna a little bit to the right here. Yeah, sorry for this very suburban kind of feel. Some of you are kind of looking forward to Dearborn, I know, but I am kind of methodically going through it so you can get a good feel for it all the way across. And there's a Target right there as well. Okay, so now you know there's a Walmart, there's a Target, and actually it's the other side, it's a big lot, so I don't want to turn the camera over there, but looks like I need to get over a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna get into so up here it's kind of all the big box stores, and now we're gonna finally get into it 5 minutes later. My apologies for 5 minutes into it before we even get to the commercial district of the kind of the more urban density part. So, but it is still interesting. You do get to see what's on Ford Road all the way across, and now we're gonna get into the density of it. Donutville. I better slow down. We got a speed limit of 40. Going much too fast. Dearborn, Michigan. This has a very high Arabic population, so that's one of the things I'm expecting to see the most of is Arabic writing, Arabic businesses, and Arabic people as well. And I always feel like this has a really strong community feel to it. Too much. And I think the food probably would be amazing. AT&T. I'm still kind of in this spot. You know, actually I'm kind of going, I did a couple other videos going east to west across Dearborn, and so this one is across Ford Road. That is kind of cool up there. So I don't know, you know, maybe this road basically is this kind of structure. Maybe this is a structure of this road. You know, maybe it doesn't have that urban density that some of the other streets appear to have. It might just be the way that it is. But we're gonna stick through it all the way through anyways, and just bring the camera through Ford Road all the way to the Detroit side. Oh no. There's a lot of right turn lanes in here. Well, the one thing I am learning about Ford Road right away is that it is kind of a fast moving road designed to move traffic through Dearborn relatively quickly from the suburbs into Detroit. And so that's kind of the thing that I'm kind of learning most about it. And I'm kind of learning, you know, I kind of went through Dearborn other times, but I just haven't really focused on this road. And maybe the reason I haven't is because I've always been trying to see what Dearborn looks like, and I kind of feel like the structure of this road is like this, and I think it's going to continue that way all the way to Detroit. There's Sonic, so I think that's actually is almost the other side of Detroit, and then we're gonna other side of Dearborn, and then we get into Detroit. So that basically is our structure. There's a movie theater over there, Ford, Wyoming. Drive-through even. Sonic. And I believe this goes, there's Tim Hortons, and I believe this goes right into Detroit. So I think what I'm going to do is stick with this street a little bit further. Yeah, there's 94. And yeah, I think that does go into Detroit. So we'll stick with it a little bit further into Detroit itself. Wyoming Road. But at least you get an idea, kind of get an idea of what how Dearborn is structured a little bit, and see this kind of main Ford Road, thorough street. Detroit. Okay. A little taste for the city there. I'm gonna be turning around. I'm gonna check out the Walmart. So that's gonna turn right here in a moment. Okay, hope you like that one. That was Ford Road, Dearborn in Detroit. Yeah.